Very good morning to all of you. My name is Prasant Kumar Padi. I welcome you all to Engineering Graphics and Design Lab. It is a practical paper. Full mark is 100 and pass mark is 50. Reference book is Engineering Drawing by N.D. Bhatt and V.M. Panchal. Just mark the book. You may refer this book also. We will discuss about the evaluation system. How we will get 100 mark. So, as per new BPUT system, evaluation system, first of all, that is daily performance of a student 20 mark. What do we mean by daily performance of a student? Daily performance includes punctuality, regularity, body language, style of representation of the different answers, neat and cleanliness, discipline, and rough copy. That is 20 mark. Now drawing sheet 40 mark means we will discuss about the 4 drawing sheets during a semester, and full mark of each drawing sheet is 10 mark. 10 into 4, 40 mark. Next one is quiz. Quiz 10 marks. Very simple questions, short questions you have to answer. Viva 15 mark, face-to-face discussion virtually. And final experiment 15 mark. Final experiment means we will give you one question. You have to solve it and draw it in your drawing sheet. For that one you will get 15 mark. So total is 100 mark. So what drawing sheets you will complete during the semester? That is the syllabus, and that is called the title of drawing sheet or name of drawing sheets. First thing is orthographic projection of points and straight lines. That is the title number 1, means first drawing sheet name. The second drawing sheet is orthographic projection of planes and solids. Third drawing sheet is development of surfaces and sectional view of solids. And fourth title is isometric projections. Clearly we will discuss about one by one gradually. Then we will discuss about the drawing instrument list. What drawing instruments lists are required. So drawing instrument list, you have to purchase the drawing instruments from a bookstore available nearby your house. First instrument is Mini Drafter, company Omega. Just you mark, it is Mini Drafter. Omega company is written. It is a standard company. So what is the use of Mini Drafter? Mini means small, drafter means it is an instrument to draw the engineering drawing. Just you mark, it has 2 screws, first screw and second screw, first screw and second screw. First screw is called trap screw or holding screw. Second one is scale screw. And this is consists of long scale, small scale as well as a protractor. Just you mark clearly. Long scale, small scale and protractor. Protractor both clockwise and anti-clockwise, 0 to 90 degree clockwise, 0 to 90 degree anti-clockwise. With the help of Mini Drafter, you can draw parallel lines, vertical lines, horizontal lines, inclined lines. So it is very easy to draw your drawing and you have to save your time, it will maintain accuracy. Second thing is your seed container or roll pack. Seed container or roll pack. This is the seed container or roll pack. You have to keep your drawing sheets inside it. It will give protection to your drawing sheet. seed container. Next one is standard size drawing sheet. Standard size drawing sheet, just you mark. What is available in our bookstore? Two types of drawing sheets are available. One is thin and brownish. Second one is thick and whitish. So always you bring thick and whitish drawing sheet. There is standard size drawing sheet available in the local market. Then next, fourth one is your drawing kits, company Omega. In a packet, 4 drawing clips are available. It may be stainless steel or plastic. Next item is your large size 45 degree set square with protractor, company Omega. Just you mark 45 degree set square, company Omega, large size, and also it consists of a protractor. There is no need to purchase separate protractor. Next item is large size 30 degree, 60 degree set square with French curve. Just you mark. This is 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree. So the name is 30 degree, 60 degree large set square with French curve. So what is the use of a French curve? Generally French curves are used to draw different engineering curves. Item number 7, large size plastic scale, that is 30 centimeter. Large size plastic scale. Why plastic scale? It is transparent. Next item is pencils. Just you mark 1H pencil 2 piece, 2H pencil 2 piece, HB pencil 2 piece. Either it is Nataraj or Camlin or Apsara, you may purchase, no problem. No microtic pencils, normal pencils, plain pencils, 6 piece pencils you have to purchase. Next one is large size bow compass. Just you mark large size bow compass. So large size bow compass, company Omega. Inside that packet, this lid stick is free with this compass. Next item is large size non-dust eraser, either Nataraj or Camlin. Large size non-dust eraser. Next item is pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener, you have to sharpen your pencil with a pencil sharpener. And lettering template. Lettering template, we can say local language stencil, 10 mm size and 5 mm size, company Omega. Omega is written here. Next, circle template. Circle template, just you mark circle template, company Omega. With the help of circle template. So next one is circle template, just to mark circle template, company Omega. It consists of different hoop circles having different dia, which are not possible with the help of bow compass with circles, just to mark very small circles. With the help of circle template, you can draw the circles. That is the main function of circle template. Next one is sandpaper, 80 mm size. You have to sharpen your pencil with the help of your sandpaper. Next is plain and long copy. What we will discuss, you will clearly write in your copy. It is a plain copy. Then large size white handkerchief. You have to place your white handkerchief on the drawing sheet and you will start your activity. And that lead stick, I already told you, in that packet, with the help of bow compass, that lead stick is available. When you purchase your bow compass, just to mark whether lead stick is available or not. So these are all the drawing instrument lists. When you purchase all the drawing instruments, then only you will proceed next. Next, just to mark, I already told you 3 pencils. 1H pencil 2 piece, 2H pencil 2 piece, and HB pencil 2 piece. I use my 3 different pencils. Where I use blue. Second one is where I use white chalk, you use your 2H pencil. Where I use pink chalk, use your HB pencil. So we use 3 different pencils, and this is my large size non-dust eraser, and this is my drawing set. So accordingly you proceed. Then we will discuss about classification of pencils. Basically pencils are classified into 2 categories. One is your hard grade pencil, second one is your soft grade pencils. All H grade pencils are hard grade pencils, and all B grade pencils are soft grade pencils. So 1H means degree of hardness of the pencil is 1. Similarly 9H means degree of hardness is 9. Accordingly 1B means degree of softness is 1. 8B means degree of softness is 8. So HB pencil means it is a combination of both hard grade and soft grade pencils. Generally people say it is a hard and black pencil. HB, combination of 2 characters, hard grade as well as soft grade. We can say hard and black pencils. So these are the classification of pencils. Then after that we will discuss what are the various uses of pencils. Means where you use 1H pencil, where you use 2H pencils, and where you use HB pencils. If I say what is the difference between 1H and 9H? 9H is 9 times harder than 1H, and 8B and 1B, 8B is 8 times softer than 1B pencil. Clear? Okay, thank you. Line convention. It is very important for engineering drawing point of view. Which lines you will draw, and for that lines which pencil you will use, and what are the symbols of various lines. It indicates a clear picture of different lines, their symbols and use of pencils. First one is boundary line. You have to draw the boundary line of your drawing set. For that one you may use 2H pencil or HB pencil. Second one is reference line. Gradually we will discuss what is reference line, what is boundary line, dimension line gradually. Only today remember this much only, for which line, which pencil will use, and what is the symbol of that line. Reference line, that is XY, the reference line, 2H pencil is used. Dimension line, this is AB, means suppose you want to write here, say 50 dimension, that's why 2H pencil is used. Next one is extension line, just to mark, this is the dimension line, this is the extension line, 2H pencil. This is approximately 8 mm, extension line. Invisible line or hidden line, that is dotted line, 2H pencil. What is the line width? That is the gap width. Means suppose the line is 2 mm, means gap is also 2 mm. You will maintain. Center line, also 2H pencil, center line, 2H pencil. For center line, this is 3x, gap is 1x, small line is 1x. Accordingly you maintain. Means the width of the gap must be equal to the width of the small line, and the length of the long line is 3 times that of the small line. Then the center line, 2H pencil. Projection line, 1H pencil. Construction line or block line, 1H pencil. These are the construction lines or block lines. Suppose this is our total area. I want to divide it into 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4. For that one, I will use 1H pencil. Cutting plane line means, suppose this is the duster. I want to cut it with the help of a saw. This saw is the cutting plane line. This saw is the cutting plane line. I want to cut it. And in the engineering drawing, that cutting plane line is like this, that indicates the saw shape. For cutting plane line, both 2H and HB pencils are required. This 2H pencil is like your center line, and at last use your HB pencil, and that is approximately 10 mm length. Then breaking line, 2H pencil. Generally breaking lines are used. Suppose you want to represent, say, 200 meter. 200 meter is not possible to draw in your drawing sheet. For that one you may use your breaking line. That is 2H pencil. Cutting line or hedging line. Suppose this is the saw and I want to cut it. After cutting, I mark the cutting marks on my workpiece. For that one, use your HB pencil. And arrowhead with the help of 2H pencil. Arrowhead. And any text, suppose you want to write A, B, C, also use your 2H pencil. A, B, I have already written. You may use 2H pencil or HB pencil. Any text. Text, you may use text, say A, B, C, D. Numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, use your HB pencil. For text and numerals, say 13, text or numerals, that is, say A, B, 1, 2, 3, HB pencil. If you want to write any numerals or alphabets, use your HB pencil. That is called text or numerals. That is 32 point. And how we will draw the arrowhead? Arrowhead, just to mark. Suppose I want to write here A, B, C, and I put the arrow here. Arrow must be a closed one and a filled one. Must be a closed one and a filled one. And what is the dimension of the arrowhead? This is called length of the arrow. This is called width of the arrow. Length ratio width is 3:1. That is the dimension of the arrowhead. Means if I take length equals to 6 mm, width should be 2 mm, and it must be a closed figure and we have to fill it. By chance you have draw the arrow like this, it is wrong, technical point of view. Arrow must be a closed one. Again it is wrong, arrow must be a filled one. This is the perfect arrow. So always you maintain the same dimension, that is length ratio breadth is 3:1. Thank you.